This is the recently dedicated Hickory Nut Gorge Field Station at Chimmney Rock. The station is the base of operations for a unique project involving, among others, UNC Charlotte students Barbara Post and John Soule.
We have to dry these to preserve them, and the paper helps to soak up some of the moisture, and I put them between blotting paper and in a press. And then I press them, that keeps them flat, and it dries them out.
Remember how you used to collect leaves and put them between the pages of a book? That's sort of what Barbara and John are doing here, only on a larger scale. They're working toward collecting and cataloging all the plant life that exists in the Chimmney Rock Park.
This area has not been studied. We don't know what's here, and it's right unusual. The valley runs east to west, so we have a north-facing slope and a south-facing slope, and all sorts of little oddities about the area that makes it interesting and a nice place to study. This is witch hazel, and we saw a specimen out in the field station. This is what it looks like in the field.
The project goes back several years when Chimmney Rock officials asked UNCC to prepare a trail guide for the park. That eventually developed into the ongoing project. It is a project expected to take several years. That's not surprising because it's estimated there are thousands of different types of plants in the park.
Well, just getting the plants, I mean, you have to hike to find them. You have to go to where the plant is. It's not going to come to you. And depending on where you're traveling to, that could be a difficulty. With so many, it takes time to catalog, it takes time to look things up, especially if there's something that we haven't seen before. Then you have to find out what it is, and that does take time.
Barbara and John identify each plant by examining it and then comparing it to illustrations and keys in a reference book.
5 sepals, 5 petals, and 5 stamens. Let's see if we can key this one out. I'm not familiar with it.
Okay, this is called a lichen, and what it is 2 plants that are living together in one plant. It's an algae and also a fungus.
Collecting specimens and cataloging all the plants here at Chimmney Rock is certainly a big task, but John and Barbara say it is a botanist's dream world come true.
I think it'll be important to the future generations and people that will come through here. The way land is being used up nowadays and exploited, I think it's very nice to have a park that is conscious of that and protecting an area and to study that area and know what's there and can provide it for the public.
I think it's really exciting. Since I am from a different part of the country, it's all very, very new to me. It's just amazing how the plant life can change from area to area. I'm excited to find out what's here and see why it's here. Like you were saying, it's just unique, and I think that's what's so special about it.